All right. So, everyone, you're welcome to Calls Music once again. My name is Calvin and I play the piano. And today I just want to show you three basic, not three, it's four, yeah, four basic bass lines for every beginner that will make you sound like a pro. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what I'm gonna show you right now. And before I do that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please just click on the subscription button to subscribe for more videos. Yes. Okay, so with this, you have to know your progression already. Yes. Because I'm just gonna show you only the bass line. Yeah. Yeah. So you have to yeah, you have to know the bass line or your song already, the progression of your song already, so that you can apply this bass line. Yes, it's very simple. They are very simple, but many people use it, and if you start to use it, you will sound very good on the piano. Okay, so and without wasting much time, let's get into it. So this is the song I'm gonna use. Is a praise song, like Osahin Christo Momani Din, so Oyo Hen Ampa. Yeah, I'm gonna use the song. And also I'm doing it on a key of G, but I transposed it to F so that everyone could benefit. Yes. So yeah, that's it. So let's get into it. Okay. So number one, we use the first or the one, the 3 and the 5. Yes, so the 3 and the 5, right? So let's say Osahin Christo Momani Din, so Oyo Hen Ampa. So something like this. Osahin Oyo Hen Ampa. Right? So when you come to 1, right? For the same 1 3 5 5 1 3 5 2 1 3 5, right? Yes, 3, the same thing, 3 1 3 5. So just that interval. So Osahi Oyo in Nampa Osahi Oyo in Nampa. You get it? Again. Osai Omani Nampa Ahi Kistu Oyohi. So you can use that interval every time. That's the first step. So the first step once again is Osahi na hindi na nabeti so enjoy Number 2, we move octave, but we walk from the dominant 7 or the flattened 7th, which is this. Then we come, right? So we use this octave, ba, ba, but we walk from the dominant 7. When you go to 4, the same thing. 5, the same thing. 3, the same thing. 6, the same thing. Right? Or when you move to 3, you can do this instead of, right? And 4, you can do this. Or me, I prefer moving to 6. I prefer doing this, not this. I prefer this, and for 3 I prefer this. Right? Okay, so let's try that. So Sahin Christo, Oyohin, Oyohin, na hindi so. Oh, mama. I hope you are following the song. Very simple. Again, so let's go. Osahi. And third, you move the same octave. You are using the same octave, but you move from the 5th. So right. So I hope you get the concept. Okay, and the last one is chord 1, but you play in octave. Very simple. So 5, right? So and the reason why I wasn't using this wherever I move to is that all these bass lines that I've taught you can use it in a series, or you can play it especially for the first one. Yes, you can use it in series. Yes, you can play it in series, but it is best that you mix them up. So these are the bass lines that I want to help you with. But don't use it in don't take one and use it throughout the song. You should use all of them together. You should mix it up, right? So I'm gonna mix them up with the first step, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. When I mix it up, it will be very nice. So learn it and try to mix them up. Yes, learn it, practice it, practice it with the right hand, merge both hands. Yeah. So let me play it and sing along, but I'll mix them up. Yes. Okay. So I have a loop here. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, go. Osai so money. Right? Osai so Nidana Pechi so na hindi dana Pechi so Ove freno se onwa Ai chafu to sujin oyo in iramba Osai so nidi so oyo in iramba Sahin Cristo man in oyo in iramba Na hindi dana Pechi so Ove freno Ai chafu to Alright, so this is what I have for you. So take very good note of these chords and the bass line. Yeah, take it very rehearse on it. Thank you very much. Ciao.